Hey everyone, welcome. If you've been wondering how to connect your Snowflake data warehouse directly to Power BI, you're in exactly the right place. Today I'll take you step by step through the process, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a live connection and start visualizing your Snowflake data in Power BI. Whether you're trying to build dashboards, run ad hoc reports, or just streamline your analytics workflow, this is a skill you'll definitely want in your toolkit. So let's dive in. First things first, let's just quickly cover the prerequisites to make sure you're set up for success, no surprises down the line. You'll need a Snowflake account with access to a warehouse, a database, and a schema, as well as the right role permissions. That's super important because Snowflake is all about secure, granular access control. So if you're missing permissions, you may hit roadblocks later when you try to query your data. You'll also need Power BI Desktop installed on your computer, and it's always best to use the latest version. Microsoft updates Power BI pretty regularly, and the newer versions often have better performance and more features. Plus, if you're connecting to the cloud, you can avoid unexpected compatibility issues. One more technical note, your machine, or the Power BI gateway if you're using one, needs to be able to reach your Snowflake environment over the network. That means if your company has firewalls or VPN requirements, make sure those are sorted out ahead of time. If you can't connect, double-check with your IT team before going further. And last but not least, you'll need your Snowflake credentials. Most people use a simple username and password, but if your organization has set up single sign-on with OAuth or Microsoft Entra ID, you can use that as well. Just have that info handy when we get to the login screen. All right, with the prerequisites covered, let's jump into Power BI. Go ahead and open up Power BI Desktop. Give it a second to load, depending on your machine. This might take a moment, so don't worry if there's a brief pause. Once it's open, you'll see the Home ribbon at the top. From here, you'll want to click on Get Data. This is basically the front door to importing and connecting to all kinds of data sources in Power BI. When the Get Data window pops up, click More to expand your options. There are a ton of connectors here. Think of it like a menu of all the databases and services Power BI can talk to. Now type Snowflake into the search bar. It should quickly filter down to just the Snowflake connector. Select it and then hit Connect. That tells Power BI, all right, I'm ready to link up with my Snowflake data. In the next steps, Power BI will prompt you for your server details and credentials, but we'll cover those specifics in a follow-up video so we can really focus and go deep. And that's it. With these steps, you're halfway to turning your Snowflake data into actionable insights through Power BI's powerful visualization tools. I find the hardest part is usually just making sure you have the right access and knowing exactly which connector to pick. But once you've got this foundation, the rest is just building out your dashboards and digging into your data. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button below. I'm always happy to answer questions, so leave a comment if you get stuck or want more tips. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you want more hands-on tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.